everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you, so make sure to subscribe and ask your friends as well to subscribe the channel, and do join us at our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is provided in the description itself, so make sure to join. Well, in this video, we are going to do a discussion of a very important topic, especially when you are a student, especially when you are in college. This is about the importance of certification. Even when I was in second year or first year, I was very worried that how to get those certificates. I used to think that these certificates matters a lot, and if I'm having no certificate, if I'm not putting any sort of certificate in my resume, I won't be shortlisted for any opportunity. So these kind of thoughts were there in my mind, and I was not aware of the reality that do certificate really matters. I was not aware of this. And like other students like you, even I used to think that certificates are very, very important no matter how I am collecting them. Okay, but now I can definitely tell you that certificate matters only if you have those skills which are mentioned in the certificate. Right? What happens nowadays, students are getting the certificate, they are collecting the certificates from Coursera, from Udemy, from LinkedIn Learning, and many different platforms. Right? Somehow they are getting the certificates, but they are not reading even a single thing from the course. They are just collecting the certificate. Even I can understand there's a race of collecting the certificate, that I'm having 5, I'm having 10 certificates, I'm having 8 certificates, and so and so. Now, just tell me one thing. Do these certificates really matter if you have no idea about the skill set? Well, no. If just suppose, let us assume that by mentioning those certificates, you got shortlisted for an opportunity, right? But if you're having no knowledge, for sure, interviewer will ask you, see, you have mentioned this certificate regarding cloud computing. Just tell me about this particular thing in cloud computing. And at that time you'll be blank because you just collected a certificate without having any knowledge. So always remember, just 1 or 2 certificate is fine, but you should be having all the proper knowledge regarding the skills that you have mentioned. Even if you are having no certificate, that's totally okay. But if you are having skills, that's great. So what matters is skills, not certificate. If there is no certificate but skill is there, for sure this is going to work for you. You will be shortlisted for the opportunities, and for sure you are going to do your best in the interview. But if you are having a collection of certificates but no knowledge from either of the domain from which you have collected the certificate, then that's useless, right? Because for sure in the interview itself, the interviewer will catch you. He's not fool. He can easily catch you that you have just randomly collected your certificate without having no knowledge. No one will even care that from where you have done those certifications. The only thing that they care about is that do you really have the knowledge about them? And that is what matters. Even I know one of the students, so she mentioned a Python related certificate in her resume, and she was having some sort of kind of basic knowledge regarding Python. Okay, but if you have mentioned, it is important that you should be clear about it. So interviewer asked him something regarding the Python. Okay, as she has mentioned the raw certificate there, she was blank. Okay, so this will definitely put a bad impact on the interviewer, right? So whatever you are mentioning, that's why it is always said that don't put extra stuff in your resume. Even certification section is not even required in your resume. This is just to fill up the space. If you have no certificate, that's totally fine. No one cares about certificate basically. If you have, that's okay, that's good, but you should have the knowledge regarding that particular domain. So just don't run for collecting certificates. Even I can see, well, if you have learned something from the topic, then you got the certificate, then you can showcase that I today learned this particular thing. But just collected the certificate and you didn't read even a single thing about the course, then that's of no use, right? That is why mostly free courses are not viewed by the students, because they are of less importance. And in that case, if you will purchase a paid course, no matter how's the quality, you will complete it fully. That's why the thing you get easily, that's not worth it for you. So always make sure if something is freely available to you, it doesn't mean that it's worthless, right? It has some worth. So make sure if you are taking any sort of course from Coursera, from Udemy, so complete it fully. Understand it what is actually there. Not do the things just for certificate, because at the time of interview, no one cares from where you have got the certificate, and so they will certainly ask you the questions. So if you are thinking that by collecting a bundle of certificates, you will be shortlisted for the opportunities and you are going to get a job, then that's a misconception in your mind. That's your misunderstanding. Okay. Because I discussed this topic because I found it important. Because when I was in first year or second year, I was facing the same problem. Even I used to think that certificate is really very, very important. But now at this stage, I can definitely tell you that no one is going to ask you about your certificates. If you have mentioned the skills matters basically, not certificates. So focus on getting the skill set, focus on updating your skill set, focus on learning as much as you can instead of collecting those certificates, right? So if you got some particular idea now, so you must have got the proper idea that what is the importance of certification. Actually, no importance. The importance is of the skill set, right? If you are getting some skills and along with that you are getting some certificate, you can mention, but never mention a certificate in your resume about which you are not aware of. It can be harmful for you only, right? So that is what I wanted to address in the video, and I hope now you must have got the proper understanding of all sort of things. So if this video has helped you a lot, so make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends as well, so that even they can know that what is the actual importance of certificate in our life. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep updating your skills.